What is up, you guys? My name is Izzy and you're watching SellSneakerz. Alright guys, so today's video is just about a basic shoe review on the Gold Toe ones that recently just came out on February 16th. Retail price $160, after tax $173. So pretty much this is how the shoe looks right here. Pretty clean. Cut. Now this is a size 13 that I was able to attain. Actually got 5 pairs, and then my buddy who also runs this channel with me was able to get like 4 pairs and then another 4 pairs of Yeezys, I believe. Well, let's get back onto the video review. So basically guys, I'm just going to give you guys my input on what I feel about this shoe and how I feel Jordan as a brand, or Nike, is actually, you know, going up. So last year was all about Adidas, but now suddenly Nike just came out of nowhere and just making crazy shoes like the OVOs that just recently came out, and obviously the Gold Toe ones. So it's just crazy how everything is changing. But let's continue with the video. Alright guys, so the first thing that I noticed about the shoes when I first opened the box was the absolute amazing material that it came with. Like, I'm not sure it's necessarily plastic, but I mean, it's a really good brand. I could definitely tell that, you know, the shoe itself is a good quality shoe compared to like the Royal ones where, you know, it was a good material, but this one just feels a lot much better. Pretty much simple, clean and cut. Even like the Nike Air thing was pretty raw. The inside of the sole and stuff like that is pretty nice too. If you guys can read that, it looks pretty sick. That's pretty much how the inside looks right there. You can see that says Nike Air, so these are pretty exclusive shoes. A lot of people have actually been wanting these for a while. If you guys want some tips and tricks on how to get these shoes, I'll make another video pretty soon after this one, probably showing you guys how to do it. But furthermore, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see some more things. So pretty much I'm gonna tell you guys how I obtained this shoe. I myself, I think the #1 key for doing all these things is pretty much networking. The more people that you know, the better. Friends to go outside and help you do campouts or etc. The other thing I wanted to talk about in helping you guys get future releases is also proxies, bots, and servers. Now, I can help you guys more with that, but all you gotta do is just check out our Discord thing that's linked down below in the description. We have a group chat called SellSneakerz, and what we try to do as a community is try to help all you guys obtain stuff and get some information that nobody actually knows. Definitely check that out in the description, and it's simple, easy to join. And if you guys haven't checked out our giveaway that we previously made before this video, go check it out. We're doing some Yeezy giveaways and also doing some shirts from Supreme. So if you guys haven't checked it out, you got until March 1st to go and enter in the raffle, so make sure you guys go do that. If you guys haven't checked this out on our social media, go check it out on Instagram at official SellSneakerz. Probably be down here, show you guys where that's at. And we're also just recently created a Twitter at SellSneakerz with a Z. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, keep updated with us. You know, we try to help our community with anything, especially Supreme, Jordans, Yeezys, and anything that comes up. So make sure you guys check it out. And check out the merch that's right here. We just released these right now. We're not really sure when I make it to the public, but if you guys take this shirt, let me know in the comment section below so we can start doing some merch giveaways and stuff, or just selling it online on our website at www.sellsneakerz.com.